Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening, one and all. I'm Gopi, representing my company Throne Venture Tech. Basically, we are into injection molding field for the engineering components. We do multiple projects for electrical and electronic industry. That is our core area. But for this pandemic situation due to the COVID-19, we thought of doing something for the fighting against COVID-19. We had multiple ideas. We jotted down the list of ideas, and then we wanted to do something for the society. And then we came up with a device which can prevent ourselves by means from touching other metallic parts without touching by hand. We want to use some device like this. So this is our final product. Hello.
How do you use it?
Yeah, I will show you that in my presentation in detail. I just wanted to brief you before I start my presentation. I will just I just go through this. So this is, as I said, we are into injection molding unit for the plastic parts. We are certified with the TUV SUD. So during this pandemic situation, all our production were hampered and customers were closed down. Everyone was suffering, and people are even afraid of touching anything. Even our own staff, we were not able to touch even the machines. Everyone is afraid of touching the surfaces. So we thought of doing something to prevent this fear, and then we had a brainstorming session, and we came up with multiple ideas. And finally, we ended up with this device which will prevent us from touching the surfaces, and fearlessly we can go. And we have designed product design, prototype, mold design, and the mold manufacturing also done by exclusively by us. And we are producing this part, and we are supplying to multiple agencies and multiple countries. And we have also donated this particular device to multiple government bodies in Tamil Nadu who are fighting against COVID-19 frontline, and we have had their feedback also. So this is our product. This we call it as safest arm. That is our tagline. So key aspects is with this device we can open and close any doors, car doors, and any doors we can easily open and close without touching them. And most common people use the ATMs without, means there is no other option for them to take the cash. Even banks were closed, so they were not able to touch the ATM keys without fear because they are afraid it may affect them with the COVID-19. So this device can easily help them to touch the ATM keys without any fear. And in apartments and other government, even in hospitals, the most touched surface is the lift buttons. Again, people are afraid of touching the lift buttons, so this will help them all. And this also can be easily carrying the shopping bags and hand rails in buses and trains and any utilities, and it is easily washable and can also be sanitized. These are our salient features. This is multi-purpose hook for door opener and carrying shopping bags, and this surface will help us in door pushing. And this flat pointer, that is what I'm talking about, the ATM keys and lift buttons and all stuff. And there is a ergonomic design for holding it tight with 2 fingers. And we also added the thumb grips so that it does not slip away, and the hand will not touch any other surface. And I've just added few pictures for better clarity of understanding, like ATM buttons, car opening, door opens, and even POS points. And in industries, any machines which operates with a button, this can be easily used. Switching on, switching off the lights, any utilities, carrying bags and all stuff. And like any other project, we had some challenges in this project, and I've listed down few of them here. And when we initially started, we had multiple ideas of shapes and design, and then we had a multiple design of experiments to finalize the design, and finally we ended up with this design. And the other challenge was we had less manpower that time due to the lockdown. So we have pulled in all resources, possible resources, to quickly finish this model in 7 days time, including the design and manufacturing. And the material selection, this is our one of the key point here, that because of this being a personal hygiene product, we researched and we finally came up with the idea of adding an antimicrobial content in this raw material itself, so that even any virus or bacteria on the surface will not grow further. And as I told you, we are into the injection molding unit, and which is driven by our customers. This is our first own product to be launched in market, so we had some difficulties in marketing, and we have gone for a digital marketing on stuff. And we are also planning to export this. We are having a couple of orders in pipeline now, which will be finalized in coming weeks. And just to showcase our product capability, I've added some customer feedback here. As you can see, a customer from Mumbai said it's such a simple and effective product. So much of thought process going to design web cover and every time. Which is nice to see all these feedbacks from our customers, which will actually give boost our concept, and we start working more towards this kind of products. And this is our within our own industrial estate, people are praising our product, and everyone started using this product. And we have also listed this product in our Amazon website. As you can see, some feedbacks from the customers. And we have also given these parts, and we have supplied a couple of lots to multiple customers in overseas. And everywhere we got a positive feedback from them. Thank you. I will just take 1 minute to just showcase the video of this product.
What is the name of this product?
ProArm.
Pardon?
ProArm.
ProArm.
Yes.
Video is not running.
Sorry?
I can't see the video.
Just a minute. Maybe I need to share again, I think. Stop share. Just a minute, sir. Can you see now, sir?
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you for this presentation. It's good, looks very interesting. In fact, anyone would be kind of waiting for this type of device. But after using it, how do you keep it with you? Because it would be, if you have used it, it might be contaminated.
Yes, sir. So I have 2 points to clarify here. One is, as I said, it is made of plastic material with antimicrobial content in that, which will prevent the virus or bacteria to grow further. That is one thing. And the second thing is we have a Ziploc bag with this.
Ah, okay. So you keep it in the Ziploc bag.
Yes, yes. So which will have means only one direction it will put inside. So that you say this will be put into the pee bag, and then you can put in a bucket. Should be okay.
And maybe the Ziploc bag can be sort of filled with something which can sanitize it immediately.
Yeah, that is also possible, sir.
Yeah. Anyway, good, interesting concept, and that is why you're getting such good feedback also.
Yes.
Pro Arm, it's available on Amazon.
Yes, sir.
What is the cost?
The pack of 4 comes to 160 rupees, sir.
I see. So it's very cheap as well.
Yes. We thought of like it should be available and it should be affordable for the common person.
Okay, looks interesting. I will also give one of my suggestions, but before that, Sharma ji might like to ask you something.
Mr. Gopi, how
Yes,
many units you have sold? It is very interesting innovation.
I think till now maybe we have sold roughly around 10,000 pieces, sir.
Okay, great. In how many months?
In a matter of 3 months timeline.
Okay.
And we have some couple of orders now. We are producing the parts.
Good innovation.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So you know what I was wondering, if someone is having, let's say, someone is vulnerable and wants to move out for some reason which is beyond his or her control, then some kind of a bubble is required which can fit over his or her head, and is also properly ventilated so that he doesn't feel suffocated inside. For instance, if you are traveling in an airplane, even there this kind of a bubble may be useful. So think about it, whether something which is ventilated can be provided with, and which can be, you can have a backpack, battery packs or something like that. I've seen LG has come out with a mask which has got some ventilation fans, because masks also are very they are not easy to wear for long periods.
Yes.
So if you have something which ventilates them, that could be a good good innovation. Think about it, and maybe you can come up with something.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you, Mr. Gopi. For the next presentation, we'll have Mr. Smith Shah, Deputy Director, Public Relations from REC Limited for the project response to COVID.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Srinivas. I represent REC Limited, CSR wing, and with me, my colleagues are also here. I'm going to present to you what response we have taken for COVID. I can just a second. I will share the